Mayong adlaw, this is JPerpetualKid at tara, let's explore Siquijor. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Mahika Guest House. Dayon ka mo.
Thank you. So this is Mahika Guest House located here in Barangay Solangon, San Juan, Siquijor. We're here at the first floor. This is their restaurant and it's open from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. So we're going here at their first room. This is Blue Room. And this is good for two. We have a double bed and it's very spacious. And you have your study area if you have some work to be done. And here's your ensuite toilet and bath, complete with toiletries. Here's your shower. And this room, they have a promo this Habagat season until October 31, 2026. This is only for 1,500 pesos per night. Good for two guests. So again, this is valid until October 31 lang. 1,500 pesos, good for two guests. And hello. And we'll proceed to another room here at the ground floor. This is their pink room. It's more spacious than the blue room. Ayan. Here's your double bed. Okay. For your coffee, your juice or water. And they also provide dryer and then this earplug para sa mga may problema sa ingay. And your slippers. And here's your ensuite toilet and bath. This room is also on sale for only 1,500 pesos per night, good for two guests. However, since mas malawak to than the other one, pwedeng may extra bed here for only 50 pesos per night. So it's 1,550 pesos per night for 3 guests. Again, valid lang siya until October 31. So, akyat po tayo. Tara, let's go sa second floor.
That's the view.
It's the view of their Resto. And tara.
We're going to the second floor, which is the dormitory type.
Okay, thank you. So this is their Barkada family room. Ayan. So there are 6 bunk beds. So 6 times 2, it's 12. Ang maganda po dito is that ito, hindi siya pinuno talaga ng bunk beds kasi meron kayong dedicated na living area, diba? It's spacious. Ayan. And let's check one of the bunk beds. Ayan po, complete with your toiletries like that, and you have your own locker. So this one is for 500 pesos per person, minimum of at least 6 guests. Pwede nyo nang i-book tong family or barkada room. So 500 times minimum of 6, that's 3,000 pesos per night. But kung 10 kayo or 12, so this is maximum of 12 guests dito sa mga bunk beds, and pwede pang maglatag dito ng mga extra mattresses. So how many? Maybe around 14, 16 guests can be.
The maximum here is 14 packs.
14 packs. So yan. So maglalagay lang tayo dito ng extra additional mattress. Kung gusto nyo rin dyan, bahala kayo. You have the option.
Yeah.
Diba? And then meron silang ito, may 5. This is shower. 1 shower room. And then this one, the second one is toilet and bath. This one is only shower. And this one is toilet. And another one, this is toilet. So 1, 2, there are 3, okay, there are 3 toilets and there are also 3 showers in 5 tung rooms. So it's very spacious na, perfect for barkada or family, and then hindi kayo mag-aagawan sa toilet and shower areas kasi merong at least 5 dito, 'di ba? So, yun, hindi nyo kailangan gumising ng maaga para mag-agawan sa CR. So, again, there are 6 bunk beds here. Barkada family room is for 500 pesos per night. Minimum of at least 6 guests. So, that's 3,000 pesos. So, again, we're here at
Mahika Guest House.
So, we're here at Mahika Guest House. And we're here at Barangay Solangon, San Juan, Siquijor. And magandang place po ito because malapit po ito sa mga restaurants. This one we have here, Mr. Sumo, if you like Japanese restaurant. And then this road leads to Mai Tai. It's one of the newest and trendiest na sunset bar, beach bar dito sa Siquijor. And their guests have access papunta dun sa beach dito sa may Auroras. And then there's also Oasis Cafe and may Jane's Cafe, mayroong restaurant sa Siquijor Sunset Glamping Village. Saan ba yung Tagsa. At marami pong mga restaurants and bars dito. And there's also a new restaurant there, yung Kanbay, the Vietnamese and Thai. And sa unahan po ang JJ's Backpacker. So again, we're here at
Barangay, San Juan, Solangon, Siquijor. And don't forget that we also have a backup solar power.
Oh yes, I forget to mention that they have solar power. So wala pong problema kapag nag-brown out. Like today, brown out po
Like
ngayon.
today, every here is so brown out. So
At least we have backup na power. Again, this has been JPerpetualKid hanggang sa susunod na biyahe. Ayo ayo!